Are you confident with your trading abilities? Dream of having a group of traders under your wing. Sign up as a signal provider to seize more opportunities while you trade. In this video, we'll cover how both new users and existing Vantage account holders can open a copy trading account as a signal provider. Download the Vantage app from the App Store or Google Play Store to begin. If you already have a Vantage account, skip ahead to the 243 mark of the video. If this is your first time with us, welcome. Tap Sign Up to get started. The sign-up process has 3 key steps: personal information, identity verification, and proof of address. Begin by entering your personal information. This includes email, name, gender, date of birth, country of residence, and nationality. Next, select Platform for under the Account platform. Then select Copy Trading Account in the Account Type section. Note that copy trading is only available in US dollars as of 2023. Tap Next and read through the list of terms and conditions. Then, tick the box to acknowledge and continue. Once that's done, you'll be brought to the next stage of the sign-up process: identity verification. You are required to select one of the 3 types of ID for verification: a government-issued ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. Enter your information and the serial number for the selected ID type. After your photos are uploaded, tap Finish. The last stage of registration will require you to submit your proof of address. Enter the required information with your address and country of residence. Include a photo of one of the following documents: utility bills, such as gas, water, phone, or electricity bills, bank statements, or any letter issued to you by a third-party company. But remember, the document must be valid within the last 3 months, with the information clearly displayed. Tap on Finish and your proof of address will be immediately submitted to our team for review. Once your copy trading account is up and running, or if you are an existing user, it's time to make your trades public. Head to your profile page. Scroll down to find the profit sharing summary and tap Set as Public. To become a signal provider, traders must meet these 2 conditions. 1. Make a single deposit of $500 to your copy trading account. 2. Confirm your trading experience and knowledge. Once both these conditions are fulfilled, you can start trading as a Vantage signal provider. Remember, the more copiers you attract, the more opportunities you have to share your trading success. If you find these step-by-step copy trading videos useful, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe to our channel. Start trading like a master to get a share of your copier's profits. Download the Vantage all-in-one trading app today.